Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 4-hour chart of gold in front of us, and right now market is standing at 1674. As you can see that there is not much volatility in the market. Okay, usually we get to see a craziness on the chart of gold, but the craziness is missing right now. So one thing you must understand very well, then my dear friends, the gold is still trading in a downward channel here. It means that sellers are dominating the market right now. Okay, so the dominant force is from the sellers right now. And if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded yesterday. I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you. I'll try to keep the video short. Okay, so first of all, gold is bearish. So for swing traders and positional traders, if you are looking for a position for a couple of days, then it is better to be on the sell side. It is better to be on the sell side, because if you read the articles from experts, if you go to dailyfx.com, then you'll see that more or less experts are also of the opinion that gold will be heading towards the next support of 1620 to 1600. So overall the picture is still not much positive. And if you look at the weekly chart that I showed yesterday, then yes, there is a high possibility that gold will fall by another 400 to 500 pips. Okay, so please watch the video I uploaded yesterday for a detailed picture, especially swing traders and positional traders and day traders. Okay, you should watch this video carefully. So right now gold is standing at 1674. This is the current market price, and gold is trading in a downward channel. So if gold comes down, okay, if gold comes down to the support level of 16, if gold comes down to the support level of 1650 to 53, okay, we can expect the market to bounce. If gold bounces, if we see market reversing or bouncing from 1650 to 53 level, you can go for a buy. Again, I'll say do not expect a trend reversal right now. This can be a small bounce of 30, 40, 50 pips max. Okay, you should book your profit if market bounces. And in case during the US session, if we see a heavy selling in the market, and if we find market moving below this level 1650 and market forming a big red candle, in that case we can go for a sell position below 1650, because 1650 is right now a psychological support of the market. Always remember these round figures like 1600, 1650, 1700, 1800, 1850. These round figures are psychological support and resistances of the market. So if market breaks 1650 with good volume, we can go for a sell as well. But right now gold is standing at 1674. This is the present position of gold right now. So my dear friends, if you have the risk appetite, if you can take some risk, okay, then you can consider a sell. Personally, I will not trade in this position. I will wait for the right opportunity, right market. Okay, but in case after few hours, if you find gold breaking the level of 1681, if gold breaks the level of 1681, then high risk takers, the daredevil traders, can go for a buy position as well. You can expect a profit or up move of 30 to 40 pips. Keep in mind, this is a downward channel right now, so the up move may not be a big one. So it is better to book your profits after 30-40 pips. Again, I'll say the buy position or the buying opportunity above 1681 is for high risk traders only. If you can afford to take the risk, you can go for it. But if you are looking for safe trading opportunities in the market, then you should wait for 1690 to 94. 1690 to 94 is a reliable level in the market right now. Let me show you why. Why 1690 to 94 we are considering a good level to take a sell position. First of all, we have the Fibonacci 23.6%. We have a resistance from Fibonacci, as you can clearly see on the screen. And on this particular level only, around 1690, 94 only, we also have the trend line coming from the top, so which is also the dynamic resistance. So we have Fibonacci, we have the trend line, and we can also see that around the same level market had support. So previous support will now be acting as resistance in the market. So we have three factors: Fibonacci as retracement, we have the trend line as dynamic resistance, plus previous support right now acting as resistance. So we have three factors that are pointing towards that high chance of market reversing from 1690 to 94 level. So if market reverses from this particular level here, definitely we can go for a sell position. If you see market going up and reversing from this particular level, market forming a shooting star pattern or good price rejection from above, will give you the confirmation that yes, this is a seller's zone, seller's area in the market, and you can definitely go for a sell opportunity. But during the daytime, again I'm repeating, during the daytime, if you find market breaking 1681, then if you can afford to take the risk, then only go for a buy. Personally, I'll wait for the right opportunity, because you can see that I have a long list of options. So my theory is simple. I only trade when the opportunity is right, when the market comes to you. Never forget, a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. Do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. And as I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. It's your responsibility to protect your hard-earned money and your capital. Okay, so hopefully you have understood the video. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye.